Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to save your changes in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my Hostinger website editor, and let's say that I've added a title, for example. Now, all I need to do to save these changes is to click on the Save button. And in order to not lose anything you're currently working on, autosave is always on. So within some few minutes or just a few minutes, they will automatically save your changes. To avoid problems with saving your changes, don't open the website editors in multiple tabs. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.